Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to set minimum length of stay in booking.com. Now once you move to the booking.com website homepage, make sure to log in with your account, and once you're logged in, so from this you can set the location. Let's say you enter the name of a city. Let's say I enter the city, and once you enter the city, on the right side, they will ask you the date of check-in or check-out dates. So from this section, basically, you can select, let's say I want to check in on today is 11 August. So let's say I want to check in on 13 of August to like 19. So basically, this is almost a week, and you can select like how many adults. Let's say I want to select one and just click on search. And once you click on search, so now as you can see, like 6 nights, one adult. This is the basically my selection that I want to stay for almost 6 to 7 days. So now I have selected the duration of my stay on booking.com. Now let's say I want to change it. You can change it to, let's say, 14 to 17. You can just click on search, and now as you can see, like it I have chosen like almost 3 to 4 days, and like 3 nights, one adult. This is the price. You can read the price as well. You can check the nights availability. You can scroll down, and you will be seeing all the 3 nights available, one for one adult, along with the price and further details. So that is a simple process of how you can select the length of the stay on booking.com. Either you want to choose for one day or one night, you can just click on 14 to 15, just click on search, and it will show you like 24 hours or like one night stay on the booking.com and different hotels. So you can check the availability, choose the adults, change it, or select the stay, and that is how you can do it. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.